The statistics of infected persons, recovery, and death since the outbreak of the pandemic in Nigeria recorded a steady rise from the first confirmed case on the 27th of February 2020 in Lagos to a staggering 8,915 persons 3 months later. By August of the same year, these numbers skyrocketed to about 53,477 infections, 41,017 discharged, and about 1,011 deaths as reported by the Nigerian Center for Disease Control. This trend continued steadily 6 months later due to lack of personal care, reluctance to undergo testing, and disbelief in the prevalence of the pandemic, while in rumors, which exacerbated the conflict dynamics that led to a sharp increase in the number of infected persons to about 67,330, 62,819 recoveries, and 1,117 fatalities. The number of confirmed cases in February 2021, being the anniversary month since the first reported case of coronavirus in Nigeria, stands at 146,184 persons and 120,838 discharged patients. The rate of confirmed deaths, as published by the NCDC on its official website, stood at 1,752 persons. Although the number of confirmed cases has dropped, the number of deaths has, however, increased compared to the statistics of the previous reporting months by the Nigerian Center for Disease Control. The change can be attributed to the emergence of a more resistant strain of the virus, which has worsened the severity of the pandemic, especially now that we are experiencing its second wave, which experts say has a more damaging effect than the first identified strain. The number of recoveries is also quite encouraging, 36,290 under the reporting window. But the phenomenon calls for a more strategic method of amplifying the message of hope, demystifying rumors, and working out modalities of effectively mitigating the continuous spread of the pandemic, especially in fragile context in Nigeria. The initial default response of the Nigerian government to the pandemic was to lock down major parts of the country, in addition to closing down schools, worship centers, and a number of critical sectors like the entertainment industry, leaving the food and healthcare sectors open. One underreported aspect of the pandemic is its impact on educational attainment, especially in the crucial primary and secondary stages. Those who have the means to pursue online learning have seen their education carry on with minimal disruption, while those who cannot, which constitute the vast majority of school children in Nigeria, left behind. For many, their only means of attaining education is through in-person schooling, and there are few, if any, federal or state-owned educational institution provides this. In so doing, the gap between those who can and cannot continues to grow. Search for Common Ground is implementing the Working Together Against Corona project funded by the European Union. Search uses media programming and digital tools to counter misinformation on COVID-19 and promote social cohesion, encouraging Nigerians to mask up through the distribution of personal protective equipment materials such as face masks and antibacterial hand-washing soaps across communities in all 6 geopolitical zones of Nigeria. As we battle coronavirus, let's spread positive messages while we await the COVID-19 vaccine's rollout in Nigeria.